Guys, today we're going to talk about the perfect tenses. When it comes to the perfect tenses, we have present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Let's talk about each one of them separately. Let's start with the present perfect, which is, I consider, the most difficult of them because it has a lot of uses. First, we'll start with the form of the present perfect tense. The form is, you use have or has and the past participle of the verb. The past participle is the third shape of the verb. We can say the past of the past. Like, for example, go, went, the past participle or the PP is gone. And now let's talk about the usage of the present perfect tense. For the present perfect tense, actually, we have 4 uses. The first one is that we use it to express an action that happened in the past, but it has an effect on the current time. Something that happened and finished, but still we have an effect for this action. Also, we use it to express a past action that doesn't have a specific time. Something that happened in the past, but we don't know the exact time of this action. Like when you say, for example, I have seen you before. You don't know when exactly did this happen, but you're sure that it happened before, but you don't know when. For the action that happened in the past, but still it has an effect, like you say, Ahmed has broken his leg. That means that he is still broken. The third usage is an action that didn't happen till now, to express an action that didn't happen till the moment, like when you say, I haven't ridden a horse before. So this is an action that didn't happen till the moment of speaking. For the last usage is to express an action that happened from a very short period of time. Like when you call a friend, for example, at home, or when you go to visit him, or you'd like to talk to him, and once you arrived, you're asking about your friend, his father, for example, can tell you that he has just left. So the action happened, but from a very short period of time. This is for the uses of the present perfect tense. Let's go next to the past perfect, which is much more easier. The form of the past perfect tense is had and the past participle, the third shape of the verb, like had eaten, had gone. And actually, we use it simply to express the oldest action in the past. When you have sequence of actions, sequence of events that happened in the past, and you'd like to show the first action that happened from all of these actions, we use the past perfect tense to show this. Like when you say, yesterday, after I had gone home, I ate dinner and slept. So here, the first action to happen in the past was going home. You had gone home first, then you ate and slept. So we always use this tense to show the oldest action in the past. Let's go to the last one, which is the future perfect tense. And when it comes to the form of the future perfect tense, it's will, have, and the PP. Like will have finished, will have gone, will have eaten. And actually we use it simply to show that a certain action, a certain future action will be finished by a certain time in the future. I mean, for example, if tomorrow you have an exam from 9 to 11, and your friend is calling you to meet you at, for example, 10 in the morning, you will tell him, tomorrow I can't meet you at 10 because I have an exam. So he will ask you, so when can we meet? You will tell him that tomorrow at 11 a.m. my exam will have finished. Which means that at that time, your exam will be done. The action will be finished at that time. So, the last part, which is I consider the most, the easiest part, which is the keywords. For the present perfect, we use already, just, ever, never, yet, recently, lately, so far, since, and for. For the keywords of the past perfect, we use after, as soon as, before, by the time, until, till, when. And for the future perfect, we mostly use the word by with any of the future simple keywords, like tomorrow by 10 my exam will have finished. So here, we can consider the keywords of the future perfect. And actually, what I'd like to tell you guys is always to take care of the usage more than taking care of the keywords. Because actually, it reflects on your writing. Whenever you write, if you understand the usage of the tense, this will be clear in your writing. You will never use the wrong tense in the wrong in the wrong place. You will always be. When it comes to the uses of the tense, you will always take care of what exactly are you going to write and how to use this tense in that place. Thank you very much.